role of Konpa.
Bonjour et bienvenue à TV.
For those of you who are joining us for the first time, my name is Manuela.
And my name is Sonny. So today we're going to show you some very easy, very simple how-to steps. And the song we're going to be using is down here, so you can refer to it.
If you like what you see, be sure to like us on Facebook by liking the link over here.
C'est impossible de t'exprimer l'ampleur de mon amour. Et pour te dire ce qu'il y a dans mon cœur, les mots m'échappent toujours. J'ai beau t'écrire tant de poèmes, te dédier plein de chansons, pour te montrer que je t'aime à perdre la raison.
Real quick, we're going to give you a breakdown of our recent choreography. The directions will be from the guy's perspective. So you're going to start off kompa and close to each other. And then you're going to separate like this. Next 4 counts, you're going to spin right but under your left arm. Next 8 count, you're going to spin around each other just like this. And then you're going to end up side by side with each other just like this, but facing opposite directions. Here it is one more time from side angle 2. Now the next move, she's going to step out to her left, but come back in and spin under your right arm. Here it is one more time from angle number 1. And reverse it so that she comes back out of the move. Here it is one more time from side angle 1. Now you relieve her from the position with an extra turn but end up back to back, just like this. Here it is one more time for side angle 1. Et puis d'upset.
C'est impossible de t'exprimer l'ampleur de mon amour. Et pour te dire ce qu'il y a dans mon cœur, les mots m'échappent toujours. J'ai beau t'écrire tant de poèmes, te dédier plein de chansons, pour te montrer que je t'aime à perdre la raison. Marcher, chercher dans toute chine, même obligé, utiliser toute langue que moi connais. Comprends-moi, ma chérie, je t'aime. Hey, et je ne sais